so are we, hitting close to 80 degrees, Angelica.
That's right, Steve. 78 degrees yesterday in San Diego, 75 today, and the numbers are staying above average. And I'll show you what to expect all the way through the end of the week. As we look outside, it is a beautiful afternoon in Pacific Beach. We've seen a lot of people, even some doggies out there, going out for their stroll in the afternoon at sunset, which is gorgeous. I cannot wait to see our weather watchers' pictures because their sunsets usually are just fantastic. And I'm sure tonight they'll be just that way. 69 degrees, blue skies over our city. Winds are coming out of the west, and that onshore flow is going to help temperatures drop into tomorrow. But just because it cools down for a day doesn't mean we're going to stay there. Again, I'll explain what I mean. San Diego today, 75 degrees, 72 in Encinitas, 80s in Fallbrook, Escondido 81, 82 in Poway, and 81 degrees in Santee. Over the last 24 hours, at the same time yesterday, it was 12 degrees warmer in Fallbrook. So that onshore flow is already helping to knock those temperatures down, and eventually we'll see more clouds by tomorrow morning. Right now, low 70s in Escondido, 68 in Alpine, 70 in Jamul, and 64 in Carlsbad. So what can we expect? We expect to see that onshore flow overnight into tomorrow. It'll add clouds. It'll potentially bring some patchy fog for tomorrow morning. But just as quickly as those clouds return, they will move back out because the winds will be out of the east-northeast Wednesday night. So Santa Ana conditions are expected. And you probably have felt how dry it is outside. It is going to get worse towards the end of the week as we go back to that east to northeast wind pattern, and wind gusts could reach speeds between 40 to as high as 60 miles per hour. The winds right now onshore, but pretty light as we speak. And looking at the entire country, I know Steve mentioned Texas. They are dry, they are clear. And the only places with snow happen to be in the northern tier of the country, from Montana all the way back to Minnesota. There's going to be a change for us next week. It looks like there's going to be a slight chance for perhaps even a shower or two Saturday night into Sunday. But the better chance will come next week for the first week of March, with perhaps some measurable rain in the county. In our 10 news pinpoint 7-day forecast for tomorrow, mid-60s at the coast with patchy clouds, 70 and clear on Thursday, with temperatures expected to peak once again on Friday before they start to cool back down over the weekend, with the potential for a storm system that's going to stay mostly to our north, but there is a chance for a few passing showers. We'll have better chances for next week. Of course, as things start to look a little bit more in agreement as far as the weather models, we'll make sure to bring you the latest. 61 degrees for tomorrow in the mountains. Winds are going to be windy tomorrow out of the west. So those winds are going to be picking up, averaging 20, 30 miles per hour, then becoming easterly winds by Wednesday night. We saw that shift already this week. So it starts out of the west, it ends out of the east, but it brings a lot of sunshine and warm temperatures.
We do like that sunshine. Angelica, thank you.